In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GPTease to let down a fan gently. Let's get into it. So when you first get inside the GPTease dashboard and chat interface, this is what you're going to see. Right there in the middle of the screen are some suggested prompts to get started. Just above that, there's this little icon here, which will take you to our prompt library, where you can scroll through different prompts we've pre-made for you to edit and use as you wish. Under that, you will see the chat interface box where you can type and prompt GPTs yourself. Just above it, you'll see this button to personalize GPTs. This is super important to make GPTs sound like you and on brand, so definitely do the personalization. To the left on this side, you're going to see all of your chat history and past chats with GPTs. Above that, you'll see the new chat button to start a new chat with GPTs. And here in the bottom left, you will see your profile icon where you can click, adjust your billing, your personalization settings, and so much more. Now, for today, we are going to free prompt GPTs by typing in the box here. And we're going to ask GPTs to help us let a fan down gently. So here is what I'm going to prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt that I wrote. Help me let a fan down by rejecting his romantic advances in a way that still makes him feel valued, and let him know how much I appreciate him in general, him being active and engaged on my platforms, and all of the moments we've shared and memories we've made. I want to ensure I don't damage the relationship with this fan to a point where they stop spending on my subscription, unlocking DMs, or tipping me. I'd like him to remain a paying customer while respecting my boundaries. Now, to send the prompt, you're going to click this icon here or click enter. What's going to happen is GPTease is going to give you two responses. Response 1 on the left is a very instructional response. It's going to be GPTease's attempt to give you exactly what you want. On the right, response 2 is going to be a more creative response. It's going to use a little bit of more creative language. It's going to think outside the box. So now we're going to read through both of these responses, and then we have to select one to continue. You won't be able to continue prompting GPTs unless you select a response. You'll notice this black box right here means that you cannot prompt GPTs again until you've selected a response. So let's review them and select which one we prefer. Okay, so I've read both responses and I certainly prefer this one here on the left, so I'm going to select that one to continue. Once you've selected the response that you prefer, it's going to fill the screen. At the top, you'll see your original prompt, and then you'll see the response that you've chosen. At the bottom of the response you've chosen, you'll see a couple of icons. You'll see this square icon here, which allows you to copy the response so that you can use it to let down your fan gently. You'll see the share icon, which if you select it, will open up this box where you can share your entire chat, the prompt in the response, or the AI response only. And once you select which one you like, you can create the link, copy the link, and share this chat or response with another creator friend, for example. Then just left of that, you're going to see these arrows and this 1/2. This is where you can switch back to review or see again the response that you didn't choose. This is really useful if there's little bits and pieces from that response that you want to still keep and use and utilize, while still being able to see your chosen response. And that's it. That is exactly how you let down a fan gently using GPTease. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.